Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Today, I'll show you how to create an AI-powered animation step by step. No complicated software needed. We're taking inspiration from a channel called Rollin' Wild, which created a 1-hour animation that got 1.7 million views in just 4 months. Incredible, right? Now, we'll build a similar concept, but with our own twist, and of course, way more efficiently using AI. As you can see, their animation is simple, a single movement that repeats for a long time. It's minimal, quirky, and oddly satisfying to watch. That's the magic here. Simplicity that grabs attention. Today, I'm going to recreate a similar idea, but instead of a turtle, I'll use a snail as our main character. And guess what? You don't need to animate each frame by hand. I'll show you how I did it using AI tools. Creating simple animations with AI. All right, let's jump into it. To make this animation, I'm using a platform called Hailuo AI. It's an amazing tool that generates short animations quickly and without needing advanced skills. I'll walk you through the process of signing in and setting it up. First, head over to Hailuo AI. Sign up or log in if you already have an account. Once you're inside, you'll see options for creating animations by just describing what you want. Pretty cool, right? Now comes the fun part, writing prompts. You don't have to come up with everything on your own. I'm using ChatGPT to help me brainstorm ideas and write detailed prompts for each animation sequence. For example, I tell ChatGPT, create a short scene where a snail slowly moves across a leaf, pauses, and wiggles its antenna. Then, it generates the full prompt for me. I can take this prompt, fine-tune it a bit, and paste it into Hailuo AI. I'll generate several 6-second clips like this. The goal is to keep it simple, just a snail moving slowly, pausing, and wiggling its antenna. Then we'll loop these clips to make a longer video. Once I have my short clips, I move them into CapCut for editing. If you're new to CapCut, don't worry, it's super easy to use. Just drag and drop the clips into the timeline, adjust the duration, and loop them to build a longer sequence. I recommend making a 10-minute loop first to test how it looks, and then extend it to an hour if you're happy with the result. Trust me, a smooth loop makes all the difference for viewer engagement. You can also add background music or sound effects to make it more engaging. Canva is a great tool if you need free background music or visual elements to enhance your animation. And there you have it. A quirky, minimalist animation made with AI tools, inspired by Rollin' Wild. The entire process is surprisingly simple. Write prompts, generate short clips, edit them in CapCut, and boom, you've got yourself a smooth, repetitive animation that can keep viewers hooked for hours. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments, what will you create next with AI? I'd love to see your ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until next time, happy creating!